In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to improve your Google Ads quality score and how I managed to hit a perfect 10 out of 10 for hundreds of keywords. Your quality score is one of the most important factors in determining ad performance, visibility, and cost per click. The higher your score, the less you pay for better results. Let's get started. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage and sign into your account. Once inside, you'll be on your dashboard, the central place to manage, track, and optimize your campaigns. From here, click on the Campaigns tab to access all your active campaigns and review their performance data. This helps you identify which ones need improvements to increase quality score. Next, navigate to the Assets section. This is where you manage your creative materials, headlines, descriptions, images, and videos. Every asset plays a key role in capturing user attention, and optimizing them ensures your ads are both relevant and engaging. Make sure your ad copy aligns perfectly with the keywords you're targeting. If your ad and keyword message don't match, your relevance score, a major part of quality score, will drop. Now, one of the most effective ways to enhance quality score is to use ad extensions. These extra elements, such as site links, call buttons, and location details, make your ads more informative and trustworthy. They increase visibility, improve click-through rates, and create a richer experience for users. The more valuable and relevant your ads appear, the higher Google will rank them. Remember, your quality score is based on three main pillars: ad relevance, expected click-through rate, and landing page experience. Let's break those down. Landing page experience is all about what happens after the click. Your page should load fast, look clean on all devices, and deliver on your ad's promise. Keep content relevant and user-focused. A high-quality landing page not only boosts your score, but also reduces bounce rates and improves conversions. Always test new layouts, improve readability, and ensure your visitors immediately find what they're looking for. Finally, track your metrics regularly. Use Google's built-in reports to spot underperforming keywords and refine them. Pause low-quality ones, add negative keywords to filter irrelevant traffic, and continue optimizing ad copy based on real data. By consistently refining your ads, keywords, and landing pages, you'll build a strong foundation for better quality scores across the board. The result? Lower costs, higher visibility, and stronger overall performance. Keep optimizing with patience and precision, and soon you'll see your own campaigns hitting that 10 out of 10 mark too. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert Google Ads tips and tutorials.